Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful dressing table. Here I am drawing the table. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I will draw the table and then I will color it with brush pen color. I will draw here some cosmetics also. I draw the dressing table. Now it's time to color it. First one I am using here light blue color. Now I am using brown color. Here I am using purple color. And this is deep pink color. This is red color. And this is deep blue color. Here I am again using deep pink color. And now I am using yellow color. And the last one I am using deep green color. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.